Nate, where are we?
We are in Cedarville, Michigan, UP.
I couldn't record on the way up here because my GoPro was updating, but we're here in Cedarville to finish these 2 golden boathouse lifts. Had a few snags. What happened? You had a tire blowout, and then you had some issues with the truck on the way up.
Yes, per usual.
Per usual. We're off to a late start, but it's a nice day out. All right, Cedarville, Michigan, golden boathouse lift, Dockman update. Let's go. Yeah. One thing.
Yeah.
So this is a natural artesian well. It says this state permitted a free-flowing, 519 feet deep artesian well from a cool, pristine aquifer. Let's taste it. Oh, cold. That's some high-quality H2O. Okay, here's the bay in Cedarville. I'm at the marina. I had to just drop Nate off to his truck so he could go fill the truck up with gas and the barge. It's those last days of summer, you know, coming into early fall kind of feel right now. It's cool, 67 degrees, but nice. It's a good old northern Michigan feel. So to kind of give you a little bit of a rundown on what we have going on, we installed 2 golden boathouse lifts for a gentleman out on Coryell Island. There's a big wood boat culture up here. One of the only, if not the only, actual school where you can learn to work on wood boats is located right here in Cedarville. This gentleman is out of Grand Rapids. Very wealthy individual that has a Lyman wood boat and a Chris Craft wood boat. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful boats. And he decided to go with the best there is for permanent boathouse style lifts. So he had us hang 2 golden lifts in this boathouse. We have to install the side guides on the lift, hang up a little bit of screening that we had to tear down on the ceiling. He has a bunch of screening on the ceiling so the birds won't get up there and make nests and shit on his boat. What else do we have to do? Oh, we have to build some type of keel support off the front of the cradle so that his bow doesn't warp potentially on these wood boats as they sit for the winter, because he's actually going to lift these boats up and keep them lifted in the boathouse winterized for the winter. No more storage cost, no more shrink wrap, anything like that. All right, so Nate's over here filling up with gas. I got you some water.
Ooh, good stuff.
Does it taste like it's from an aquifer 519 feet below the Earth's surface?
Well, that's exactly what I thought it was.
Yep, that's because it is.
Yep.
It's good though, isn't it?
Spot on, sir.
Oh yes, I forgot. We're also installing 2 sets of catwalks on each lift. They'll go beside the lift on the cradle so that the gentleman can walk up and down alongside his boat as he's washing it, maintaining it, what have you. Great Lakes Lift made these for us. The best in the business. One of these last time. Very good. What'd you get?
Tenders and mott sticks.
Oh, God. Dockman, Breakfast of Champions.
Let me go ahead and get everything here. 53.35. Any fuel?
No. What the fuck? Now my goddamn phone's ringing. We're going to the lakeside launch. It's down here. Yep. Feel lucky. I never buy scratchers. Oh, game 5. 3 horseshoes. Okay, okay. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, we just won 50 doll hairs. And I only paid $5 for this ticket. Damn. Today's gonna be a good fucking day. I knew it. Up here's Lakeside Drive. Can't pass this. Okay. Almost to the launch. Beautiful, huh? That's Lake Huron. Just an inlet, and then there's multiple different islands out here. These are islands that you're looking at across the way. The one we're going to is way over there. Here comes Nate. I won $50 on that scratcher.
Did you really?
$5 ticket. It's gonna be a good day. Moan back. Moan back. Moan back. That is dock language for bring her back. Moan back. Moan back. You don't have to slam it too hard. There's plenty. Hold up. There's plenty of water. Just take it easy. Slower. Okay. You're good. Okay, we're on our way out to you right now. Okay, here we are at the boathouse. This is an old Lyman 28 footer. This boat's like 100 years old or something crazy. Pretty cool. On our golden lift. And our barge is sitting in this slip. This golden lift is in the down position so that we can offload everything, and then we'll start working on the cradle, swapping out bunks, etc. Here is his Chris Craft. This thing's beautiful. This is what's going to go on the lift where the barge is right now. Look at that. They call that a triple cockpit. 1, 2 for the motor. Look at the scrolling on this dash. It's just beautiful. Anyways, here it is. Coriel Island. Okay, I'm actually already running out of battery, so I am going to shut the camera off, do a little work. Where we're at right now is we switched out the 12-foot bunks for 16-footers, and then these are the frames for the catwalks that I was just talking about that are going to be mounted, and then we'll put that sunwalk decking that's out there in. Nate's back there working on taking the screen that's tore up off and putting some new screen in. Okay, we're gonna go for another test fit. Customer's pulling the boat around. We've got our catwalks on either side, bunks adjusted, side guides set. Okay, cradle's down. Here he comes for a test fit. No, you're good. Those side guides are just on there loose right now. Push it away, Nate. Yeah. Good. Nope, I think it's good. Maybe, yeah, a little towards you. Right? Yep. Up she goes. We'll check in when it's all the way up. The boat is lifted. I think that's going to be it for the day. And then we'll come back, do the other lift, and finish up this one tomorrow. We've got the barge tied up out here. Water's getting real choppy, but boat looks good. Decking goes on these tomorrow, and then some pads on these side guides, and we're done with this boat. the Chris Craft, and then we move on to this one. All right, let's get some dinner. We'll check in with you guys later. Back to mainland. Thanks, guys. See ya. All right, it's windy. It might be hard to hear me, but it was a good day. Very good day. Got a lot done, and now we're gonna go head back to the hotel for a second and then probably grab some dinner. Set up. So easy. So easy a child could install. Ah, just the way we left her. Here we go. We're eating at the old Islander Bar tonight. What'd you get, Nate?
Cajun whitefish. Not too shabby.
I got the whitefish tacos. They're very good. We'll do a bite for the camera. One bite. Everybody knows the rules. Well, yeah. Very good. The Islander Bar, Hessel, Michigan. Check it out. All right, dinner's done. Gonna go watch the U of M game at Cattails. Okay.
Just because your team sucks.
Right, and it's still fucking Michigan. Like you're from Michigan.
They say Michigan players are worse, but they don't do that shit.
No.
You know? That was they're going to state.
What's the Michigan score, Nate? What's the Michigan score?
17-14.
17-14. Night time. All right, let's roll. Late night vending machine snack. Let's do this. Left all my ones upstairs. Back up we go. It's okay. This mission is still on.
No.
Forgot the money. BRB.
Okay.
The cheese. The bread.
Yes.
Oh. Yes. Yes. Take it. Doesn't like that one. Let's look at our haul here though. This is pretty good. Not bad. Also, free. 2 pops and Fruit Loops. That's what we'll take with us. We got peanut butter. A couple of these. Okay, back to the room. Ooh. Hold on. Something a little healthy. Oop, my hands are getting too full. Can't get it. Alright. We're full. They look like one of those eggs that's getting roasted. Anyways, let me show you the chip selection. I'm gonna lay them out right here for you so you can see them. Veggie Straws, there's not many selections in there. It's a pretty empty vending machine.
Okay.
Or an apple.
Oh, where do you get that from?
There's a bunch of them in the basket.
Oh.
What do you think? Which one do you want?
I'm going Lay's barbecue.
Oh yeah, good choice.
Thank you.
All right.
Veteran choice there.
Well, yep. I'm gonna try the veggie straws.
Oh, what a loser.
Yeah, that is fucking not gay. Something other than.
It's being fat, just not video.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Well, I've always wanted to try what they try.
What they? Who's they?
The skinny people.
Oh.
Also the gays. All right. Let us dig into these, and we'll be right back.